Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make green chili sauce. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of green chilies, such as jalapenos or serranos, along with some tomatillos for tang. We'll also use fresh cilantro and a touch of lime juice to enhance the vibrant green hue and add a zesty kick. This easy method ensures a delicious and visually appealing sauce every time. To begin, roast your chilies and tomatillos until slightly softened and charred. This step deepens their flavor. Once cooled, remove the stems from the chilies. Combine the roasted chilies, tomatillos, fresh cilantro, and 2 cloves of garlic in a blender. Add 1/4 cup of white vinegar and a half teaspoon of salt to the mixture. These ingredients are crucial for both taste and preservation. Now, blend all your prepared ingredients until you achieve a smooth, consistent sauce. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of water to reach your desired texture. Transfer the blended sauce to a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering process allows the flavors to fully develop and combine beautifully. After simmering, taste your green chili sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt or a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. This versatile sauce is perfect with tacos, eggs, grilled chicken, or even as a dip. Store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade green chili sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.